So hello guys, ayan, panoorin po natin ngayon itong duet ng dalawang contenders ng The Voice Kids 2024 na si Makmak at si Jello.
We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and a flashback starts. I'm standing there on the balcony of summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gown. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet cause we're dating you. So close your eyes. Let's take this down for a little while. Oh, cause you were Romeo with Scarlet's letter. And my daddy said stay away from Juliet. But you were everything to me. I was begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Romeo, save me, trying to know how it feels. This love difficult, but it's a real. Don't be afraid, we'll make it out of business. There's a love story, baby, just say yes. Oh, 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 I got waiting, wondering if you were coming around. My feeling it was
medyo nawala si Makmak dito.
When I met you on the outskirts of town, and I said, Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. It's this in my head. I don't want to think it now to the ground and pull down the ring and said, marry me, Juliet. You will never have to be alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. Talk to your dad, go pick on a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yes, yes. Oh, oh, oh. We were both young when I first saw you.
So yun po guys, yung mga batang yun nga po yung contenders ng The Voice Kids 2024. Pareho po silang, at first pareho silang nasa mga kamay ni Coach Pablo. So si Jello tsaka si Makmak po. Then si Jello is natanggal siya sa battle rounds. Tapos si Makmak naman is na-steal siya ni Coach Julie at napasok nga po siya sa Grand Finals. Wait lang. So pareho nga po silang magagaling guys. Yung boses nila is unique din, magkakaiba yung boses, magkakaiba yung style ng pagkanta. Magagaling sila. Si Jello, sayang din si Jello kasi hindi siya napasok sa Grand Finals, which is talagang deserve din naman niya. Pero yun nga, talagang merong mas magaling sa kanya. And yun, supportahan pa din natin sila pareho si Makmak at si Jello. Dahil nga po, magagaling talaga silang kumanta at maituturing natin sila na sila yung magiging future na singers ng mga ng industriya ng musika sa Pilipinas. At yun po, si Makmak po, I believe is nasa Cebu po ngayon. Ipinagpapatuloy nga po niya ang kanyang pag-aaral. And last wait lang. And last January 19 is nag-guesting nga po siya sa Sinulog Festival, Sinulog 2025, kung saan siya nga po ang kumanta ng finale song na Heal the World. And so napakagaling po ng performance ni Makmak. So always po natin siyang supportahan. And pa-follow po ng kanyang Facebook page ang Mark Anthony C. Punay Official, ang kanyang Facebook account ng Mark Anthony Punay. And also si Jello naman is Jello, I believe Umay no Pandak or Jello Pandak karon po. So support po natin yung mga local talents natin. Si Makmak po is, I'm sure na unti-unti na niyang ginagawa ang kanyang or tinutupad ang kanyang pangarap na maging isang singer, maging isang kilalang tao. Imagine guys, sa edad na 8 years old is gano'n na yung achievement na kanya nararating sa kanyang murang edad. And una nakita natin siya una sa ano lang na trending doon sa kinanta niyang Inay habang napakalaki ng kanyang damit at medyo madungis, gano'n po. But then later on nakita natin siya na nag-audition sa The Voice blind auditions at yun nga po naging grand finalist at muntik pang manalo. Kaya ayun, supportahan natin always si Makmak guys sa kanyang journey, sa kanyang singing. Iba kasi yung style talaga ng pagkanta. Meron siyang merong puso yung kanyang pagkanta, galing talaga sa kanyang puso. Kapag nakikinig ka ng kanyang kanta, talagang hindi mo mapigilan na tumibok yung puso. Especially kapag yung kanta is medyo emotional din talaga, pipikit ka lang at paniguradong maiiyak ka talaga sa kanyang kanta. As for Jello naman, yung kanyang kanta din is may puso din naman. Iba kasi yung style ni Jello ng pagkanta. Magaling si Jello kumanta, it's just that ano lang talaga. That time sa battle rounds, mas nanaig talaga yung galing ni Nevin. Tapos mas napili lang talaga ni Coach Julie si Makmak na i-steal. Hindi naman kasi pwede na i-steal nila lahat So yun. So ayun, so portahan na lang natin. I'm sure na marami pang darating na opportunity para kay Jello. Supportahan na lamang natin siya. At ipag-pray natin na sana is sa muling pagsali niya sa iba pang mga contest or maybe pagbabalik niya sa The Voice Kids kung pwede pa, ay yun na yung time niya na sumikat. Si Makmak naman ay hindi na siya pwedeng bumalik pa sa The Voice Kids kasi parang nakakontract na yata siya sa GMA. And also by February po, babalik siya ngayon nasa Cebu siya ngayon, so by February is babalik siya ng Maynila para mag-guesting sa All Out Sunday. So yun, abangan natin yung All Out Sunday guesting ni Makmak. And I'm sure na bibilib na naman tayo sa kanyang talento. So yun po, hanggang dito na lamang po itong gagawin ko na reaction video. God bless po at bye-bye po.